How to create Word document on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Word application. Once you're here, go to the bottom and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Over here, tap on the blank template as shown. Go to the icons above the keyboard and swipe left. Now, scroll down to view all the formatting options like highlight color, font color, styles, and more. Go back to the text area and type in any text. Then, press on the text to select it. After that, go to the formatting options and edit the text as you like. After editing, tap on Done at the top left corner. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to the File Actions section and tap on Export. Select the file type from here. For example, open document text. Name the document and then tap on Export at the top. Following these steps, you can easily create Word document on iPhone.